Hi Scrum Masters, this is Kelly Fide. So this is a super quick, super easy overview to how to use Jira, assuming you know nothing about Jira. And if you do, maybe you'll learn something. So I just Googled Jira login, and I see right here, login with Atlassian account. So I clicked on that, and it's going to ask me a question, which is, which one of the Atlassian software do I want? Atlassian is the company that owns Jira. So right here, I'm going to click on Jira software. And it remembers my list of projects. So right over here, where my mouse is moving, I'm going to click on the button Create Project. And then it's asking me another question. Hey, Kelly, do you want your project to be a classic project or a next-gen project? So I actually want it to be classic because even though next-gen is cool, it's missing some of the features that I like. For example, color coding stories by epics, which you'll see in a few seconds. So I'm going to click on Select Classic, and then I'm going to type in a name for my project, and I'm just going to call this Practice Project. I'm going to hit Tab, and it creates a key for me already, which is just an abbreviation. Now it's asking me another question. Do you want a Scrum project or another kind? So you can see you have three choices: Kanban, Scrum, or bug tracking. Bug tracking is to track bugs, obviously. Scrum is an Agile framework, so is Kanban. So I'm going to choose Scrum, and then I'm going to click on Create.